Are you having problems with your My Mitsubishi Connect app not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix this problem. So basically what I did firstly was that I closed my app and instead I went into my settings app on my phone. And now on my settings app, what I did in here is that I scrolled down and then I clicked on general. So I clicked on general, and on this page I just scrolled down a little bit and then I clicked where it says storage, as you can see. And for some of you, this page will take a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes to completely load. So if it hasn't yet loaded for you, don't worry, just wait for it, and then when it's done you can just scroll like this, scroll up a little bit, and in here you're going to just search for Mitsubishi Connect, as you can see. So just search for it and click on it, and then you're going to click on upload app, and once again click on upload app in here. Just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here once again. Then just wait for it to completely load. As you can see, it says loading now. Just wait for it to completely load, then go back into the app, and hopefully now it's fixed for you as well.